And we have a single purpose in mind, which is to try and draw attention to the state of our oceans with regard to the amount of plastic that is in the oceans, which in my personal view is absolutely horrendous. And from what I've heard in the last year or so, if we continue polluting the oceans with plastic to the extent we're doing currently, we're actually risking the future of the human race. So that's basically the purpose of Boaz. We want to do research, we want to do education, and we want to do awareness. At the moment we're doing simply the awareness thing. All we can do is take this boat out as often as we can and become well known to the public, and trying to get ourselves known as the boat for plastic awareness in the Cape.
Yeah, no, it's great seeing ocean ambassadors grow and seeing people change their habits, you know, just from day to day, people being aware and just seeing how much plastic is in the ocean, how much change you can make in your life as an individual to reduce your plastic footprints just by small daily actions, which in the big scheme of things, if everyone does it, will make such a big difference. And it will, I mean, start the regenerative process, you know, start the ocean fixing itself. It's been shown all over the world, at least in terms of marine protected areas, that the ocean can fix itself. So there is hope that we can turn this all around and go back to where we were kind of 60 years ago, because plastics have only been with us for 60 years realistically. And there's some microplastics there.
Oh my goodness.
You can already see little pieces.